Be ready for the dictation. Ready. Start. Wahil transfer petition within bracket criminal number 355 of 2020 is filed by a retired chief engineer of the Central Public Works Department who is arraigned as accused number 1 in a criminal case in special CBI case number 18 of 2012 for transferring the case from the court of the special judge within bracket CBI, Siliguri, Darjeeling, West Bengal to any court of competent jurisdiction at New Delhi. The second transfer petition within bracket criminal number 357 of 2020 is filed by the very same person together with his wife, both of whom are arraigned as the accused in another criminal case in special within bracket CBI case number 41 of 2012 pending on the file of the special judge within bracket CBI, Siliguri, Darjeeling, West Bengal, seeking transfer of the same to any court of competent jurisdiction in New Delhi. Stop para. The main ground on which the sole petitioner in the first transfer petition, who is also petitioner number 1 in the second transfer petition, seeks transfer of both the criminal cases from Darjeeling to New Delhi is that he is now aged about 70 years and that he had already suffered a severe paralytic attack and brain stroke. Stop. He claims that he is not in a position to move, walk, speak, and perform his routine activities without the help of an attendant. Stop para. Due to the medical condition of the petitioner, I entertained the transfer petitions and ordered the issue of notice. Stop. After service of notice, the co-accused bracket who are respondent numbers 2 and 3 bracket band in the case which is the subject matter of the first transfer petition have filed a counter affidavit opposing the request for transfer. Stop. According to the learned counsel for the co-accused bracket respondent numbers 2 and 3 in the first transfer petition bracket band, they are also aged and that they are also suffering from ill health. Stop. Therefore, they contend that a transfer from Darjeeling to New Delhi will make their life miserable. Stop para. It is contended on behalf of the CBI that the charges framed against the petitioners are under sections 120B IPC and sections 7 and 13 within bracket 2 read with section 13 within bracket 1 within bracket A and 13 bracket 1 bracket D of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 in one case and under sections 109 IPC read with sections 13 bracket 2 and 13 bracket 1 bracket C of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 in the other case. Stop. The petitioner retired from service only on 30/9/2010. Stop. The FIR was lodged on 30/9/2010 in the first case, and the final report was filed on 30/6/2011. Stop. It appears that there are 21 witnesses in the first case, and out of them, none have been examined so far. Stop. Insofar as the second case is concerned, FIR was lodged on 5/1/2011 and the final report was filed on 31/5/2012. Stop. A total of 115 witnesses are to be examined in the second case, out of whom 32 have already been examined. Stop para. If we take the totality of the circumstances into consideration, it is clear that, however sympathetic one may be to the health condition of the petitioner, transfer cannot be ordered. Stop para. Though it is contended by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner that in the second case the witnesses remaining to be examined are scattered all over and are not in the locality. Stop. I do not think that after the examination of 32 witnesses, it will be in the interest of justice to order the transfer. Stop para. It is true, as rightly contended by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner, that the right of the accused to a fair trial and a fair opportunity to defend himself against the charges will be meaningful only when there is active participation of the accused in the proceedings. Stop. Though one may point out the availability of technology for effective communications between the client and the counsel, the same cannot replace the physical assistance that an accused may be able to render to the defense counsel in a criminal proceeding. Stop. ओवरऑल ये डिक्टेशन थी आपकी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगती है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक्स टू ऑल।